you are new, hi, my name is Glam Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this look right here. I hope you guys like it. And if you guys recreate it, please tag me in it. I did not create this on my own. I seen it in Instagram, but I did not screenshot or write down the name of the girl. I just pretty much remember it. So I created it, and yeah. Anyways, I'm also going to be doing a giveaway on this tutorial. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is 4 simple rules. First, be subscribed to my channel. 2, turn on your post-up notifications buttons on so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. 3rd, share this video with all your friends. Just tag me in it so I can see that you did. 4th, come back to the video, go all the way down to the comments and write done. And that's all you have to do, and I will be picking the winner once we hit 1,000 on my channel. Then I will go and pick one of you slay queens to win this giveaway. Now let's get ready to slay our face. Good morning, even though it might not be morning by the time you're watching this, but it is 8:51 a.m. Saturday morning, and I did not sleep all night. I was up all night. How am I gonna function today? Who knows, but let's fix this going on right here. Let's start. First thing I'm gonna go in with is what the hell? First thing I'm going to go in with will be this Mario Badescu facial spray. And I like to apply it closely. Next, I'm going to go in with this little Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. This is a sample I got at Sephora, but I've been loving it. So as soon as I'm done with it, I am going to purchase it again. To make this pores disappear, I'm going to go in with the Pore Professional thing right here. What is this? A primer? I don't know what it is, but it makes my pores disappear, so whatever you are, I'm putting you on my face. This is where I have most of my pores that you can see. Now, so my face won't move and disappear throughout the day, I'm going to go in with Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Now, to even out my complexion, I'm going to go in with CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. I used to use this a lot in my old videos, so why not, you know, go back to my old love. I'm going to use this Sonia Ketchuk sponge. It's kind of old. I need a new one, but it does the job. I like how big it is. It's like perfect for my face. Now, to conceal and bring life to my face so my eye look can stand out even more, I am going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. And I'm also going to be applying this on my eyelids as a primer for the shadow. If you're still watching this video along with your comment, let me know what look would you like to see next. A colorful one, or more of an everyday kind of look, or a challenge tutorial. Let me know along with your comment. Now, to set the concealer, I'm going to go in with, should I even say it? Because we both know who I'm going to go in with. Laura Mercier's Lucent Powder. I wish she had a banana shade. Like if she was to come out with a yellow powder, banana shade powder, I will buy it. Now, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with CoverGirl Clean and Matte Powder, because these two together are bomb as F. So if you guys have not tried that combo, I suggest you do, because you'll be looking good all day. Hello, I zoomed you in so you can see what I am doing. So moving on to the eyes and then we'll move on to the face. I'm going to go in the 35OM palette. She looks like this. But first I'm going to go in the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and pick up the banana shade in the palette and highlight my brow bone. Picking up a fluffy brush that looks like this. This is a Sigma E40 brush. I'm going to go in this light orange shade. This shade is going to go all over my crease. Using that same brush, now I'm going to go in with this bright orange right above it. Bright orange, and I'm going to focus this shade more on my crease line, but still on my crease, fading into that first shade. Now using the 35S Morphe palette, I'm going to pick up the yellow in this palette. This one right here. Using this Ulta It brush, the all over shadow side, I'm going to pick up the yellow and put that all over my lid. Okay, I'm not going to lie, the yellow on that palette sucks. And then I picked up the 35C Morphe palette. It also has a yellow in it. Sucks too. I did order the 35B palette, which also has a yellow, so let's hope that one works. I think I should have just cut my crease with concealer and applied the yellow, and then it would have been more, you know. But I wanted a soft look on the crease. Now using that same brush we were using, we're going to go back to the 35O palette, and I'm going to pick up this shadow right here. It's an orangey red shade, and I'm going to tap that on my outer V on my lid. Now for the bottom lash, I'm going to go in with that same with that same shade I just used on my outer V on my lid, and I'm going to smoke that into my lash line as close as I can bring it there, connecting it with the top like that. Now with that same brush, I'm going to go in the bright orange shade that we used, and I'm going to smoke that right on top of that also and kind of bring it down. I love a very full blown smoky bottom lash. I'm going to pick up the fluffy brush that we used and pick up some of that bright orange, and I'm going to somewhat add a little bit more to my crease line just to give it more depth. Now picking up a black eyeliner, I'm going to be using this one by Deborah Milano, Eyeliner Puro. Maybe I'm saying that wrong, but this is from Japan, so I don't know if they sell it here. But just a black liner, and we're going to wing it up. Hold your breath and don't mess up. Now for the bottom lash, I'm going to go in with this brown pencil liner, and I'm going to line my waterline. Now I'm going to pick up this tiny little brush. I hope you guys can see how small it is. And I'm going to pick up a purple shadow. So I'm going to go in this palette. This is a 35S palette, and I'm going to apply this purple shadow right on top of that brown. Now if you have a purple pencil liner, use that instead. Going back in with the black liquid liner, I'm going to now cut my crease with this. There we go. I cut my crease. I kind of messed up here, but I am going to now use this purple liner from NYX Vivid Brights, and I'm going to make a line right under that black line. So there we go. I cut the crease with those two liners. They're not perfect, but whatever. I'm picking up a little bit of the yellow shadow just to put it in here. Even though this shadow sucks, but just to give it more of that yellow look in here. Moving on, I'm going to apply some lashes and brows. For the brows, I'm going to go in with NYX Gel Brow because it's good. And for lashes, I'm going to go in with these long wispy curled lashes. I think they're going to look good. What do you think? I think it's going to look good. These are from DODOLASHES in the number D105. Oh, and your girl got a code, so she's going to save you some money. Unless you big ballin', then okay. And we're back. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I actually added that purple liner. Oh, let me show it to you. This purple liquid liner to my bottom lashes. I hope you guys see that. But now moving on to the face, because we gotta snatch this face. We are going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Picking up this brush right here from LA Colors. I'm going to go in the middle shade. Just a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. And I'm going to focus it right here. And after I do that line, I'm going to flip the brush this way and blend that edge out, kind of bringing it upwards too. For my forehead, I'm going to go in with this angled brush with that same shade and just hit all the perimeters of my face where the sun would hit. Now for highlight, so we can blind the haters, we're going to go in with Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and we're going to put that in our cheeks. And I'm actually going to apply this in my inner corner too. Now please don't come for me, but I'm going to do the same lip. I just can't stop wearing it. I'm going to be doing Vivid Hot Lacquer from Maybelline in the shade Unreal. This is just such a pretty nude brown pink. There we go, you guys. We are finally done with this look right here. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you were creative, please tag me in it so I can see. And good luck to everybody who entered this giveaway. If you want to see more videos of me, just check out these two videos that I'm putting up right here for you guys. If you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys down in the comments below. Bye guys.
When that dress showing that ass and it's a fucking rat. That